Hi, I'm Sam from Finding Country. Welcome today to the leafy suburb of Church Walk in Bilton Village. Behind me is the old Rectory, a stunning 6,000 square foot beautiful Victorian home with an additional coach house and a separate apartment, all set in 1.24 acres of glorious gardens. Come with me and we'll take a look round. The property is situated in a secluded position and offers in excess of 6,000 square foot of accommodation. As expected of an old rectory, there is a large and welcoming entrance hall, and the library is on the northern side of the building. This room houses a series of architectural drawings that are covenanted to the house were produced when the property was built in the 1850s. The drawing room offers spectacular views of the beautifully maintained gardens via two large sash windows and a door that leads to the formal dining room. The study is situated at the front of the property, and a further door that takes you to the inner lobby where you can access the cloakroom and the cellar, offering perfect conditions to lay the wine collection. There are original servants' bells, and the kitchen breakfast room faces the front with two sash windows. There is a two-plate Aga, there are granite work surfaces and a double oven. The lobby continues down the hall where you can access the laundry room. The first floor houses 5 well-proportioned bedrooms, 3 of which offer superb views of the rear gardens. The master bedroom in particular has an original fireplace with marble surround, a range of built-in wardrobes and a door that leads to a large ensuite bathroom. The apartment has its own entrance and offers generous proportioned bedrooms, a large sitting room, a kitchen and a family bathroom. Also within the grounds of this spectacular home is the coach house, which complements the existing accommodation and again built in the 1850s, could provide a more independent quarters for a relative or au pair. The gardens are simply stunning, and a further gate and brick wall that shields the attractive pond with water feature. You join me at the end of the tour in the beautifully maintained 1.24 acre gardens of the old Rectory, nestled beneath Bilton Village Church, St Mark's. If you'd like to know more about this property or join us for an exclusive viewing, then please contact us on the details that are about to follow.